In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ElevenLabs to Hey General to get started. Open ElevenLabs and log into your account. Once you are inside the platform, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click on Developer. From there, select API keys. This is where you can create and manage the keys that allow other platforms like Heygen to securely connect to your ElevenLabs account. Now, click Create API Key. You will be asked to give the key a name. Choose something simple and recognizable, such as a label that helps you remember this key is for your Heygen connection. Naming your key clearly is useful later, especially if you create multiple integrations and want to keep everything organized. Next, make sure the necessary permissions are enabled for the key. This is important because Heygen needs the right access in order to load and use your ElevenLabs voices correctly. Depending on what's available in your account, enable permissions related to text-to-speech, voices, voice generation, and any other voice features required for the connection. Taking a moment here to confirm permissions can help you avoid connection issues later. After that, click Create Key. As soon as the key is generated, copy it immediately. This step matters because many platforms only show the full key once for security reasons. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere temporary and secure while you complete the setup, so you don't lose it before moving to the next platform. Now switch over to Heygen and log into your account. Once you arrive at your dashboard, go to the Voice section. In that area, select Import from Third Party. You should then see an option for ElevenLabs under API Key. Click that option to begin linking the two services. At this point, paste your ElevenLabs API key into the designated field in Heygen. Double-check that the full key has been pasted correctly, with no missing characters or extra spaces. Then click Confirm if everything was entered properly. Your custom ElevenLabs voices should automatically load into your Heygen voice library. That means the connection is complete, and you will be ready to use those voices directly inside Heygen for your projects. If the voices don't appear right away, it can help to refresh the page or briefly return to the voice section and check again. In most cases though, the import happens automatically once the API key is confirmed. And that's it. You've successfully connected ElevenLabs to Heygen. Thanks for watching.